Well, hello friends. Today I was going to talk to you about bolts. Not that one, of course. Let's get that out of the picture. But these over here. These two came from my Mausers. This one came from my 22. As you can see, not all bolts are created equal, nor are they all the same size. So, for our friends in Oregon who banned their rights for high capacity, normal capacity firearms, I thought I'd talk about something that doesn't scare the West Coast that much. Bolts. They might think I'm talking about construction. Anyway, this here is out of a Springfield 22 single shot. And it's a fairly interesting design. Just a plunger and a spring. But it does the job because it pushes that firing pin right up against the primer on the edge of the 22 rim, and you know the rest of the story. This here Mauser bolt is out of my Yugoslavian, and as you can tell, it has not been blued. It is a straight polished metal, and the bolt handle itself is curved, not straight. And let's get that there. It's about rough guess or rough measurement. Get over here. Let's get that and there. Come on. Oh, fiddlesticks. As you can tell, I'm fumbling around with it. But here we go. Looks to be about a little over 7 inches long. All total. That's with it in the cocked position. It's cocked and the safety is holding it in place. And let's get the one out of the old BYF, German Mauser. And it's in the cocked position about 7 some odd inches long, but it is designed different where it will not fit in the Yugoslavian. In fact, the Yugoslavian was designed after this particular style rifle, but they did some modification so that they were different. So they'd have their own design. Even the bolt handles are different. And the German has a gas blowback shield in case the cartridge ruptures. So does the Yugoslavian, but not as much of one. This is more of a smooth surface, where this has a raised. And of course, I have no gas blow-by on the 22, nor any holes drilled in the bolt for that. Where this has holes drilled in the bolt for gas blow-by if there's a rupture in the cartridge. Yeah, that's the only 3 bolts I've got that I can get to easily. Bolt actions. Lever guns have a bolt to it, but I'm not tearing apart a lever gun to bring the bolt out of it. An AR has a bolt, but it's inside the rifle, and you have to tear it apart to get to it. And I'm not tearing apart an AR. Anyway, thanks for watching my little video here on bolts. Bolts. Anyway, you have a good day, and thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll have some more fun making videos for you. Bye-bye.